important guy, guys.
Yeah. And it's really great to have him here. And travelled all the way from Bandra for this event. So thank you so much, Tony, for this, for your presence this evening. And the event belongs to you, Pari, and so stunning and the gorgeous Parineeti, who is now our ambassador and a friend of Australia. So Friends of Australia is all about advocacy. It's all about great influencers, celebrities, successful people in life who have a passion for Australia and are more friends and mates of Australia, as I would say. So without any further ado, may I request the Consul General to say a few words.
Thank you.
Please request silence, guys.
We've just had a lovely little ceremony downstairs where we presented Parineeti with the certificate and a nice little photo opportunity to prepare her for her visit to Australia. She's about to undertake a lovely visit to Australia. This won't be her first visit, but I think it'll probably be the most momentous one we've made so far. So Parineeti joins a cadre of several people who have been named as Friends of Australia in the past, but she's the first from Bollywood. And she's a lady. And we think that this is great. So there's a few firsts here. And the background to this event today is that we had hoped last week to have our Minister for Trade, Tourism and Investment, Mr. Steve Ciobo, announce and stand with Parineeti. I'm very fortunate to take the honour today, but he was not able to make it to Mumbai because of the floods. And unfortunately a few things were disrupted, but not this. And so we're very, very pleased and proud that Parineeti's accepted this honour, and I'm looking forward to hearing the outcome of her visit to Australia and seeing a lot of her stories and images that have come back from Australia. I'd like to hand over to Parineeti. She's probably got something more to say than I do.
Hand over the Friend of Australia.
Yeah.
We'll do that in front of you.
Once I just tell them a little about it. So, कुछ तो लड़ाई चल रहा है इधर. Please excuse me for talking in Hindi with my buddies. Huh? What that's what I want you to be comfortable. तो आप लोग जैसा आपको setup करना आप कर लो एक बार. अभी आपको अगर ठीक है तो बोलो. फ्लैश उनको फोटो लेने दो ना मेरा प्लीज. So फोटो कैसे आएगा फिर? So please excuse me. So basically, thank you very much. Accepting the honor is not something I would have even discussed. It's really an honor. The pleasure is all mine because Australia has been a continent, a country, a place, a tourist destination for me since I was a child. I don't know if you'll believe it. I've traveled all over the world since I was 6 months old, and Australia was always on the list. And last year I got to get associated with Tourism Queensland, and I got to see Queensland a lot. And I knew that there was this special honor called Friend of Australia, and I was secretly hoping that I would get it somehow. I didn't know what I had to do, but they've been kind enough to bestow it upon me. I'm finally a Friend of Australia. I call myself the best friend of India. You know, they've gotten it wrong. I am a best friend. And now I'm going, day after tomorrow I leave, and I'm gonna see Australia the way people can only dream of seeing it for the second time, and it's one of my favorite countries. I really feel it's so similar to India in so many ways. You know, the people are so nice, they're so warm, they're so loving, they love their food, they love their life, you know, they love their experiences, and it's very similar to India in that way. So I really find myself quite at home when I'm there, and I'm very excited to be going for the second time, and I'm so happy that you chose me as the first Bollywood face, and I'm very, very proud of myself. I feel like I've achieved something.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And
maybe present the...
Yes.
Yes, let's do this.
Yeah.
Sorry. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm fine. I'm really fine. No, we can hold it up. We can hold it up. It's fine. Yep. Yeah, ma'am.
Left to right. One.
Oh, dear, lovely smile. Thank you very much.
Now you are ready.
Thank you.
We have a small one.
हाँ, वीडियो के लिए। We have to go a little lower. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Solo भी कैसे?
What happened?
Domestic violence. I was at home in the middle of the night and I stepped on a glass and it blasted under my foot. So I've got a really long, deep cut on my foot. In fact, I have to go to the doctor now to like change dressings. But it's very painful and it's the worst thing. I'm so uncomfortable. I'm not able to sleep properly at night and like I'm very dependent on somebody to like help me walk and everything.
You'll
But
be fine.
yeah, but it's not for sympathy. I'm just explaining what is happening. But yeah, it's very irritating and very uncomfortable. But I'm fine.
But it's always said lion have scars, not rats. So it's rigorous theory.
That's what the doctor said. Should we give you like? Should we let it heal on its own? You'll have a scar. And I was like, I love battle scars, so I'm very happy. Please, but it'll take a few days. It'll take a few days.
So what made you choose Pariniti Chopra and not anyone else for this?
Well, she has a great background, and we knew that she had been to Australia. We knew that she loved it, and we looked, and we thought, and we heard, and it could be only her. So we had this in plans for quite a
some time,
while.
yeah.
Quite
Oh,
a while.
really?
We did.
You guys kept it from me,
Let me
huh?
just add to what the Consul General just said. She is truly an Australian. You know, Australians are warm, welcoming, inviting, extremely down to earth. You know, that's what makes her a perfect mate, as I would say, and not a friend or a best friend of
Best friend,
Australia.
best friend.
So how do you take this praise as? The praise
I
is
feel
not-
really good. Honestly, I mean, even if it wasn't for this honor, like I said, I find myself to be very connected to Australia. Like even before I went, I mean, I can share this with you, but the first time I ever went to Australia, I actually did a Sashtang Pranam when I came out of the airport because it was one location that I had been waiting to go, and I travel a lot. You know, I try and see at least 4 to 5 new countries every year. I am that person. But Australia was one of those places which I was just waiting to go because I'd heard so much about it. I researched so much. And so when I went there, it was like meeting a star. You know, it was like, you know, I've only seen you on TV, I've only seen you in pictures, and now we're meeting in person. That's what I felt when I went there. So I just feel that I feel very loved over there, honestly. So I'm very happy that I have this
And
special honor.
you're now going to travel to the spiritual center of Australia, which
Yes.
is the Ayers Rock in Uluru.
Yeah,
as we
I'm going to
call it.
one of the coolest places called the Ayers Rock in Australia, which again I've only seen in pictures. I haven't seen it in person, but I'm going to be there. I'm going to be, you know, we're going to be taking some lovely pictures and spending some time there. And they really treat us so well when we go there, and even me and my team. So we're very, very excited to be going and eat lots of amazing food.
Michael, questions?
Yes.
Any
Exciting questions. Seriously,
All right.
thank you.
No questions? Any?
I think they're going
Sure.
to leave it for this thing.
What is your plan as in what would you said you will be traveling there tomorrow, so what would there be to do like?
Plan is to first make it across all the airports in one piece because I don't know how I'm going to walk. But the plan honestly is to not even visit Australia but to really experience it. To really know what it feels like to live there as well as being a tourist there, you know. And these people are helping me. They've created an amazing itinerary for us. You know, we're going to be from helicopters to the Gold Coast to the Ayers Rock to a sky point. Whale watching,
dolphin
which
experience.
I've been wanting to do for. I'm a
Surfing.
water baby. Yeah, surfing. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff, and it's all the stuff that I love.
So
You
you
know.
short doing all this and it will be promoted. Correct me if I'm wrong.
I mean, we want you all back in India and all over the world to know what it's like to visit Australia. So I'm going to be doing my best to market my
You'll
experiences.
be the face for that. You'll be the face for Australian tourism, right?
I think that they should be answering.
Yeah, why not?
Like-
He's got such a great
He's
following
the
on social
Bollywood
media.
face for Australia, friend
Yes.
of Australia.
I'm friend of Australia and Bollywood face of Australia is what service.
10 million
I'm just
followers
repeating
on
it.
Twitter, Facebook, and
Yes.
Instagram. Why not? I mean,
Yeah.
she's
think
going to
they're
showcase why there's truly nothing like Australia.
There really is. There
Right.
really is. And you really feel like you're so cut off from the world but yet so connected because there's so much love and warmth from people. It's really a beautiful place to visit. So all of you must. And once I put up all my pictures and my videos from there, you'll really feel like visiting, I think.
परिणीति नॉर्मली आपका अगर फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन की बात करें तो कहाँ जाना आप पसंद करती है? फिलहाल तो आप अकेले जा रही हैं यहाँ पर प्रमोशन
जी।
सारी चीज़ों के लिए
जी,
और
जी।
अगर किसी के साथ जाना हो तो कौन होगा जिससे आप
I mean, डिफरेंट चीज़ें, डिफरेंट ट्रिप्स में डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं. मैं अभी पिछले हफ्ते अपनी एक हॉलीडे से आई हूँ. मैं बहुत डाइविंग ट्रिप्स लेती हूँ क्योंकि मैं स्कूबा डाइवर हूँ, तो मैं बहुत डाइविंग ट्रिप्स लेती हूँ. तो लॉट ऑफ आइलैंड्स. जब लास्ट ईयर मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया गई थी तो मैंने गोल्ड कोस्ट में ग्रेट बैरियर रीफ में स्कूबा डाइविंग की थी, जो बहुत अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस था. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द हॉलीडे. कभी कभी आप बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ जाते हैं, कभी आप फैमिली के साथ जाते हैं, कभी आप गैंग के साथ जाते हैं, कभी आप गर्लफ्रेंड्स के साथ जाते हैं. यू नो, आई थिंक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंसेस हैव डिफरेंट पीपल. इस बार मैं अपनी टीम के साथ जा रही हूँ.
परिणीति आप ट्विटर पे काफ़ी हिट रहती हैं और यहाँ पर हाल ही पे हार्दिक पांड्या को लेकर काफ़ी
हाँ, ये मैंने भी सुना
आपको
आज
single-
दोपहर को ही.
आपको सिंगल रहना नहीं देना चाहते हैं सारे लोग, वो उसके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं क्या पूरा
आई मीन वेदर मैं सिंगल हूँ या नहीं वो डिस्कशन नहीं है, बट मैं हार्दिक पांड्या को डेफिनेटली डेट नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये मैं बोल सकती हूँ. ये भी मैंने आज दोपहर को ही सुना और मुझे 2-3 दोस्तों ने भेजा. मैंने कहा वाह, ये कब हुआ मेरी
Her
लाइफ में.
recent love is Australia.
My only love is Australia. In a relationship with.
Always, yeah.
Parinidhi, you will be teaming up with Arjuna again.
Yes.
And something that we can talk about.
Yeah, we are already in preps. Arjun has started workshopping with Dibakar. I am going to be starting Golmaal promotions now and I have to release Golmaal. So I'll get into the workshops immediately after coming back from this trip. But yeah, I'm very excited. I think it's going to be an intense film, a physically challenging film, a mentally challenging film. Very excited to get into it. And after that, we're doing a light film, Namaste Canada. So we were just discussing that we're going to be spending the next 1 year together. He's so lucky, you know, I told him that he's going to spend 1 year with me. But yeah, we're very excited because I really get along with him. He's one of my closest friends in the industry. So I'm very excited that he's going to be my co-star.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone.